I've wanted to go to Ninh Binh in Vietnam now for many years after reading about it in guidebooks and watching Paddy Doyle's video during the COVID lockdown period. Don't you just love Paddy Doyle? I really wanted to go there this time, but we've only got a day left, so I have booked us on a tour bus, an executive tour bus at that, so not sure how we're going to get on. We left pretty early, and after travelling for about an hour and a half, we had a breakfast come toilet stop. But there were hundreds of other buses coming in there, all from the same company it looked like, and the main aim seemed to be to sell you tourist trinkets and things, and there were thousands of them. And the bloke who modelled it after IKEA, I think. It's one of those sort of places where you get in nicely, but you can't really find your way out without going past loads and loads of special offers. How do you get out? I think you're supposed to go out that side. I don't know. I did manage to grab a cup of coffee, but the queue for anything else was far too long. We really didn't have enough time for that. But fortunately, I'd had a good breakfast at a hotel. Watching the countryside drift by from our executive coach made me really quite excited to get to where we're going to and look at the Tam Coc caves, where we've got a boat ride already booked. But we've got lunch and a couple of other places to visit first, including a bicycle tour, which I wasn't looking forward to.
Check the biking.
Another stop, this time at quite a pleasant little hotel for a bicycle ride, which is part of the group tour. Not too good for me though, because I've slightly gammy legs, so I can only pedal on one side, so that makes it a little bit difficult. But anyway, so far our group tour is not too bad. The first stop for breakfast, as they call it, was horrendous. It was maybe 100 of these buses in there, all feeding everybody and doing everything all at the same time. So not so good. So we'll try to have a little look around. It's a lovely area here. And it's here we'll be stopping for lunch. There we are. So that's what a group tour bus looks like. So, a very beautiful part of the world, but it's a shame the sun's not coming up. It will be soon. No, I can't guarantee it. I'm hoping. Hello? Say hello to the viewers, huh? What do you say? Hello?
I guess I've been to 3, but they were all...
This is a photo opportunity hotspot where many people take their favourite Instagram shots. This is just one of a couple of places we stopped en route, but personally I just can't wait to get to the caves. Finally, we are here, the place I've been so excited to get to, but I've got an idea that I think just a few people have had the same idea. This really is the queue to get to the riverside and the boats. There they are. Clue what's going on, to be honest. It's crazy. I can't imagine that anybody could have organised this. I think whoever is an expert on people management. This is a point where I break my neck, drown, or both.
3, yeah, okay, 3.
Yeah.
3, 1, 2, 3 here.
3. Oh, yeah, definitely 3.
And one more with 4.
We're 4. We're 2.
3.
Just need another 2.
3, okay? Okay, 3 here. 3 here and 3 to the outside. Okay, 3 to the outside. Yeah.
Anybody understand all of that? Because I don't. Oh, you're part of our 3.
Okay, 2 more here and then here. Có 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nha. Okay, 2 here, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Anyway, are we all ready for our trip?
Hi. Đấy chưa? Dài.
This is the first cave, and we paddle completely underneath the mountain. I don't know about a life jacket. I think we need a hard hat. Amazing, we are rolling right underneath that dirty red mountain.
Yeah, you can have.
Say cheese. These are the weird limestone rock formations that the mountain's made of, and you can see holes. Looks like they were created by birds. Those things nearly hitting my head at the moment, so I've probably got a big head as a result of that. Yeah. Very beautiful indeed, nevertheless. Off we go to Hang Dai Dai Cave. This is a place I've been dying to come to for many, many years now, and I wasn't disappointed. It was absolutely fabulous. The whole Ninh Binh area is well worth exploring, but I would give yourself a few days, not just the one. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel because it does help me a lot. And I will say thank you very much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video because it is one of my favourite places.